me put all the tools right here. I don't want to.
Today we're doing a wire tuck on Ambidextrous's CRX, his turboed CRX. How much horsepower is it again untuned?
311 horsepower and then 260 torque at 8,200 RPM.
And then we got Toto over here. She's gonna be supervising. So first thing we're gonna do is remove the fenders and his bumper, because we are going to be fixing his intercooler mount, because it does, well, his intercooler is not mounted, it's just dangling, so we're gonna fix that. Yeah, so
look at the difference, like this. Look at how bad.
As you guys see, it kind of dangles. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna cut into his frame support on the inside, and we're going to drill holes down and lift this bad boy up and drill straight down, and then put some bolts to mount it, so that way it doesn't sag anymore. That's the goal. All this right here is going to be hidden today. This is all going to go back inside through the car and then out the driver door and go along here. And I'm going to show you guys how to do this on this side too. And all this wire and all this right here is going to be hidden as well. On this side you don't have to cut, and on the driver's side you don't have to cut. I know for sure the driver's side will reach, but that side I might have to extend a wire or two or more, and then we're going to put his fuse box underneath the whatchamacallit down there, so that way he can run a strut bar if he wants to. Okay,
Yeah,
got the fender off.
I got it from the guy with a 96.
Got the wires here.
Yeah. Integra.
So where I'm feeding this through is underneath. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Hold on one second. Let me take this off the tripod. Okay. So you guys see that plug hole right there? That's where I'm going to be feeding my wires through. And then they're going to be coming around this side over here through the door. So I have to get that gasket off and then split it in order for me to actually feed the wires in. So, yeah. What are we stuck on?
Right now, it's the ground.
Okay, we got the ground.
Half and half white rice, one, no veggies. And then,
Tell them I don't want veggies either.
yeah,
All right, we're getting progress here.
and I wanted the half and half white rice, no veggies.
Oh, yeah. That's all of it. Oh, my side. Okay. Got the harness here. The only thing we're gonna have to cut is through here to feed this back, and this wire here are going back into the engine bay, because this is a part of the brake booster and this is a part of the actual harness itself. So those are the only two things that are going back into the bay. Everything else gets fed through here.
That's Johnny.
So this is going to be getting fed through in here, and it's going to go through the fender. We won't have to cut and solder anything. If we do, we just need to extend it a lot more, but
Why do you guys like going together?
it's not that bad. So what I did was I took this off, split it, so that way I could feed it through the main hole where it sat, which is right down in here. Wait, I can't really see. Yeah, okay, right underneath that boot, right? So this is where his plug is, and it's gonna go all the way over here, and it's gonna meet with this plug, which is right here. And this plug is gonna sit in its new home down in that hole down there, see? So it's gonna look nice and flush. And then his wires are gonna be bolted right here to the side of the frame. And then there's Louise. So yeah. Oh, you guys got sodies? Hell yeah.
Right here.
Bitch, you can't have 10 of them.
Why'd you have to call me bitch?
I didn't call you bitch. He called you bitch.
No, you said, yeah, bitch. I was like, oh, you got sodas? Yeah, bitch. I was like, okay.
What force of habit, nigga?
I was like, fuck me then, right? No more alarm, because it doesn't work.
Never worked.
Thank you again. A lot more room for activities. Just need to reconnect these two wires for ignition, And he's good to go. Right? The black with the white stripe?
Yeah, the black has to go to the black. Well, it's just
Yeah.
a bridge with the white.
Yeah, we're just gonna connect it. Damn, loud ass.
That'd be me.
So I got the wires through. They come here. The only ones I have to extend is the headlight wiring harness that goes to the headlight, obviously. And the rest is all here. So they're all gonna go here. These two aren't gonna be used at all because these are for the windshield wiper squirter, which aren't here. These two, this is horn. And these two are the bumper lenses, and this one right here I think is corner. So I'm gonna start getting this all squared away right now, make it look nice and clean-ish as much as I can. So yeah, there we go. Okay, and it's gonna bolt up right here.
My phone.
So I got this wire going on, and we got Riggs over here. He's doing the other side. What I like to do is I like to cut into this side right here so that way the wire sits nice and flush. Bolt it in with self-tapping. And this is all he'll see. No wires here. No wires at all. And then he's going to get rid of all this caca right here. What'd you say? Hate it?
It's probably already melted.
You leaving?
I'll be back and I gotta go put this.
Hey, bring sodas. Yeah, what's up?
At the bottom of the hole, I'm gonna shoot the shrink tie out with the blue wires.
The bottom of the hole. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay. Got it. Take it. All right, made some good progress here. We bent this down so that way this line is tucked. We bent this fuel line down a little bit more so that way the fuel line is tucked. This is all symmetrical, all nice and clean. So when you look at it, all the lines are going to one area, so it looks nice and neat. And we're going to eliminate this right here because that doesn't need to be there. This one can be here, or you can hide it down somewhere else if you wanted to. It doesn't matter. But this side is pretty much done. Just need power in order for this to go through. And on this side, we have everything already connected. Why is this hose line so fucking stiff? Why is this hose line so stiff?
It's been there for like 30 years, bro. Original.
Jesus. And then he's going to feed back this on there, obviously, and he's doing all that, so it looks nice and clean and neat. The reservoir is going to go right back here.
Where's your extension deck, Chris?
My engine?
The extensions.
Oh, in the top left of the toolbox over there. And that's where the reservoir is going to go, right there, to kind of make everything look, you know. What are you working on right now, Riggs?
I just finished wiring back up the fuse box, but now I gotta take off the blower motor.
Oh, the blower motor? To feed it all through?
Yeah.
You're exhausted, huh? You want to take a break? You can take a break. Alrighty. And then we still got to cut this fucking thing in order to make this go up. So what I was saying with this is, you guys can see how that is, right? See? Oh, that's not good. Oh, it's rubbing. I don't like that. But it's going to be like that, but going up. Alright. Got the rear strut bar in. Thank you, Edgar, for donating this. Unfortunately, we're not doing the car because well, the plan was to get our friend a car, but he wants to go a different route with it. So he wants to get a real SI, what you would call it, the JDM VTEC noise. Come on, man, get in there. So I decided to give these to Ambidextrous because his chassis flex a lot. I know you guys are gonna be mad because I cut these, but I used the belt sander so that way it looks a little bit decent. AC and all this is out. This harness is getting routed. The front strut bar is on. The wires are done. That's flipped over. These wires still need to be done because we ran out of wire. And let's see what else. After that, car's pretty much ready to go. Everything's already done here. Boy, Kevin. And put that back in there. Take this off real quick. The good old vice grips for the hatch, the rear hatch. Let's make sure I'm not forgetting anything first. Let's see. Nope. That's everything. These things are always broken. And hatch is closed. Boom. Strut bar. Boom. Race car. Boom. Vice grips. Boom. 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 Alright. Got my side all done. He got his side all done. Side looks a lot cleaner than mine. Asshole. Alright, son. He's gonna start the car.
Ready?
Yep, go ahead.
Let me scoot the seat forward.
Ándale pues.
Ready?
Yep.
Cross your fingers.
Go ahead.
Let me give it some feel. Alright.
That would have been bad. Why'd it die?
No fuel. It starts.
E85 cold starts?
Yeah.
It doesn't happen to you?
Huh?
It happens to you too?
It doesn't happen with TV.
Once in a while.
Alright, what's up? You can let it run if you want to. It's up to you. It's your car, not mine. Huh?
It'll die out.
Well, oh, because of gas?
In the headlight.
Highs? Oh, we didn't plug them in. Alright, so everything's getting all cleaned up. The only thing he's using is my tool right here. The fender's on. He's still going to put on the bumper. We're going to do this another day because it's getting late. There's no sun. And ambidextrous is wasting time by talking on the, well, to his friend or his cousin or what have you. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the rest of the day. We're going to see how his car rides with the strut bars because he's never actually owned strut bars in his entire life, which is weird. Right?
Yeah, it's weird.
Yeah. Who's never driven with strut bars on before? It's beyond me. But I mean, he's happy. The car starts. It has E85, so that's why it starts off all weird and retarded. So more tape. And these are items we didn't use, which we thought we needed, but we didn't use. So hey, at least he has stuff now. All his tools are put away. All the trash is picked up except for this stuff right here. These are 10s that I brought out just in case. That's a bracket. This is a bracket. That's another bracket. So how does this feel with the strut bars on it?
Dude.
For your first time ever rolling strut bars.
So like at first I was hesitant about it, but dude, like just whipping on the street, bro, like you can tell it's such a tight turn, man, every time. Like the car will not roll at all, bro.
And with the racing seat too, it hugs you.
Oh, dude, you're not moving anywhere, bro. Not with that setup like that.
Oh, you're gonna go for a pull with them?
Yeah, I'm gonna show him.
Okay, I thought you meant like a pull, like you guys are gonna run it.
Oh, no, not tonight, bro. Maybe another day.
Maybe another day. Don't forget about your shit, but after you do, you pull.
Yeah. No,
All right.
back here now.
So that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to slap that like button. Please make sure you guys subscribe and turn on your notifications because I have a fucking terrible upload schedule. If you guys would like to buy a Lazy Man Garage t-shirt or any other t-shirt from the guys, links is down below. If you guys want to save yourself some money, it's on some from my sponsors. Links are also down below to save your guys some money. My name is Chris from Lazy Man Garage, and I'm lazy so you don't have to be. Peace.